Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the first setup of your Amazon speaker. Okay, so first of all on your device, on your iPhone or Android phone, you have to open the Play Store or App Store and you have to simply get the Amazon application. So just take a look, open the store on your phone.
Hello, your device is ready for setup.
You have to type,
just download the Alexa app and
sorry guys for that, you have to type Amazon on the search pool and then you have to get this Amazon Alexa application. We have to get this app. When you download this application, you have to open it, and after that you have to log in to your account with your Amazon account. That's very obvious, right? And next, what do you have to do? You have to plug your speaker to the electricity, and if you get automatically this orange light, it means that the device is in the setup mode, and you can simply go forward and add it to your app. But if your device is not in the setup mode automatically, what you have to do, you have to click and hold this button until this orange LED turns on, and you will also hear the notification sound.
Es ist kein WLAN eingerichtet. Um Hilfe zu erhalten, gehe in deine Alexa-App. La connexion Wi-Fi n'est pas configurée. Pour obtenir de l'aide, rendez-vous dans votre application Alexa. Wi-Fi non configurato. Se hai bisogno di assistenza, consulta l'app Alexa. No has configurado ninguna red Wi-Fi. Para obtener.
Okay, as you can see right now, it's turned on right now to the orange, and there is also this notification sound. Of course I'm gonna mute it because it will distract you when I record this video. So what we have to do right now when it's in the setup mode, we have to simply go for the devices tab right here, then you have to click on the plus in the right upper corner, and you have to just simply click to add device. Okay, we can skip this one, and for sure we are using the Amazon Echo speaker, so pick this one, and I'm using the Amazon Echo Dot in this video. We have to just grant the permission to the Bluetooth, so accept, and right now our device will be looking for the available devices. As you can see, there's this note about the orange light. As the setup mode, we have to click yes because the orange light is up on our speaker, and as you can see, after a few moments our smartphone find Echo Dot speaker, so we have to click on it once, and right now the speaker will connect to the Wi-Fi network, and will connect to the same Wi-Fi network that our smartphone is already connected. So in my case it will be HardReset.Info 5G Wi-Fi. Just take a look. Okay, so as you can see right now I'm connected. Click continue. There is some information about the buttons, what they do. We can skip and go forward. Right now we have to choose a language for our Alexa, so in my case it will be English. Right here we can pick the room, so you can use your groups if you are using any other Amazon devices, or you can pick the common groups, like for example the dining room. I'm gonna pick the office, click continue. Okay, we have to select our name. It was probably some kind of the bug. Let's try to open it for another time. Okay, it looks like the application just automatically turned off my account and I have to log in one more time, so let me just do this right now. And the password I'm gonna input out of the camera. Okay, click to sign in. click on your name, click to agree and continue. It's setting our profile, and right now we can choose the Alexa to say our name, so we can turn the volume and click here to play. Okay, looks like it's not working for me, but I guess it's all about that the volume was turned off. Okay, right now I know how it sounds. Okay, it's perfect for me, so we can go forward. And as you can see, our profile is ready, so click to set up other features. We can allow to access the contacts to make the phone calls. We can now choose our favorite contacts. You can also make it later, so we can decide, but I'm gonna add all of them. Right now we can add a profile for each family member, as you can see. So we can decide if you want to make it right now or later. I'm gonna skip this step actually, and that's all. Click done. And as you can see right now, we're finished. That's the setup of this device. So what you can do right now, just simply go for the other devices, and if you want to personalize any option, just go right here. Like for example, if you want to connect the speaker as Bluetooth, there's the option. You can add the alarm and timer. You can do a lot of things with the speaker. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.